poorly done decorations. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing really last minute Halloween outfit ideas. I know this is really late, but it wouldn't be a last minute Halloween costume video if I didn't post it last minute, so you're welcome. First character was the first one that came up to mind when I dyed my hair, obviously, which is going to be Leela from Futurama. Super easy costume to do. All you need is, of course, a white tank top, some black or like really dark gray leggings. So Leela also wears some really cool boots, and I have these in my closet, which I think are the most perfect boots for this. By the way, yes, my shirt is backwards. We'll get to that later. I actually got these boots at Buffalo Exchange, so I'm not sure where you can get them. There's no brand name on it or anything. Look at how cool they are though, and also they have like the zipper on the outside. They're really noisy though, that's the only thing. Let's ignore my shirt because it's actually stained because I wore this costume last weekend. My leggings are simple Forever 21 leggings. I got this top from H&M. It was a basic tank top which I actually cut, and she also has a cuff, but since I didn't have that, I just used this like gray headband that I have. I just tied it on my arm and I just used this. I think I stole this sometime in middle school. Other than that, you just need like a toy gun or something. And yeah, now you have Leela. This is so sad actually. I had Violet from The Incredibles down, but I couldn't find anything to go with that because it's so specific. Unless you have like a red and black leotard, This next character is actually pretty easy. This is Nikki Wong from 16. She actually wears like really big cargo pants. I'm pretty sure she also has a white tank top. The only thing is the necklace. You'd probably have to DIY the necklace, but other than that, it's just some cargo pants and you're good to go. Okay, so I know her sweatpants are a lot more gray, but I don't really have gray pants like that. I just have these, which are the closest thing I could find. I'm pretty sure she wears white and like purple sneakers. This is the closest purple sneakers I have. These are really old. And there we have. Next up on the list, Trixie Tang. Okay, she has purple headband, purple turtleneck, white skirt, white boots. Okay, I did find this top. I forgot to mention, but the pants that I showed before were from Yes Style. I realized I don't have a white skirt, but I do have a white tube top. Oh my god. Wait, that actually works. Oh, just kidding. I don't even think I have a purple headband. As for white boots, I have these from Yes Style. These are really uncomfortable. I'm gonna use the same one as before. Does she even look like this? Do I even look like her? It's fine. My top is from Yes Style. You can use my code Angela10. I'm pretty sure it still works. And I just have white Doc Martens. And there you have Trixie Tang. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to Coraline. I think I have a wig pretty similar just because I have the yellow jacket, so perfect. This one's gonna be easy. I cannot believe how much I'm sweating right now. Okay, this jacket is from Boohoo. Any blue jeans, the docs again. I also have this wig from Yes Style. It's not the right shade of blue. This is actually one of my favorite wigs, by the way. Okay. Bootleg Coraline. Honestly, I think this wig could also work as like a bootleg Ramona Flowers if you'd like. So this next one, I have Raven from Teen Titans, and I'm planning on being Raven for Halloween. I couldn't find a leotard. If you have a black long sleeve leotard, that would be perfect. If you don't have a leotard, you can literally just get any long sleeve like I have now and any black bathing suit bottom, or you can use like black shorts. Stick to your comfort zone, wear whatever the hell you want, stay safe. My school luckily has a store where they sell a lot of fabric. I'm not a fashion design major, so I'm not sure how much fabric costs, but I got this whole thing for $1, so... And I'm honestly way too lazy to get this like altered or just cut. So I'm just gonna tie this. And now you have a cape. So we all know Raven has her signature belt, which I would definitely recommend DIYing because it's such a specific belt. And I got this from the school store as well. I think this is supposed to be like a necklace or something, which honestly, like when I saw both of these together, I was like, yep, I have the costume. Wow. I'm Raven, bitch. She has purple boots. I don't own purple boots. And there you have the Raven costume. I probably need to like adjust this part right here, but have an orange wig that I really want to like put to use, so I have a few orange haired characters. The first one is going to be Vicky from Fairly Odd Parents. Super simple. I think it's green top and black bottoms. I'm not great at like wig stuff. Oh my god, I could also be Shaggy. No, Daphne. The lace isn't even cut from this. This is mine, it was meant to be. Oh my, woo. Oh my god, okay. And here you have Vicky. Regular black jeans, top from Yes Style, boots from Yes Style again. Next one, now you can also do Kim Possible with this hair, but I'm not gonna do that because everybody. For this next character, I'm gonna be using a different orange wig this time. If you guys didn't know, I was actually planning to dye my hair either really bright orange or purple. I would have been Lola from Run Lola Run. If you haven't watched it, you should. I've had this character for a while just because I've had the pants for so long. Yeah, it's probably one of the most fun ones to do. So okay, so for her outfit we have some lime green kind of pants. She's wearing like a light blue tank top, and she also wears like this little bag. This bag is from Yes Style. It's actually one of my favorites. Like, I couldn't go harder with this outfit, bro. My shirt is from Yes Style. My jeans are from Urban Outfitters. I don't shop at Urban Outfitters, but I did thrift these, so I got them for like $5 because it was ripped right here in the crotch, but thanks to my mommy, she sewed it. Not that I would have minded a little rip in the crotch, but anyway. Wig also from Yes Style. The orange wig that I had, by the way, was from a brand. It's called Trendy Wigs. Lola's hair in the movie is actually a lot more red. You get the idea. Oh. And there you have Run Lola Run. So unfortunately, those are all the outfits I have. Now I kind of wish I did go with orange. I mean, look at me. But you know, if none of these costumes like interested you in any way, you can always just be a cute little witch. Can we talk about how freaking cute this dress is, by the way? This little witch hat I actually got at Goodwill. They had like a pack of them. My dress is from Punk Race store, which you guys should totally check out. They have the cutest goth and punk clothing. Everything in that store is so freaking cool. If you guys are into this kind of stuff, you guys should definitely check it out. This video is not sponsored, but they did send me this dress along with a few clothing, which I really appreciate. Thank you guys so much. And my boots are from Doll's Kill. They're by Delia's. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this is super last minute. I'm still gonna do Halloween makeup looks though. And have a happy and safe Halloween. Party hard. Hope you guys have a great time. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. And see you in the next video. Bye.